fucking walk with these people. Stop, best friend. Let me hear it. They go hung. Let me hear it. We won. We won, y'all. They straight was talking about like, hold on, stop. Let's listen. Stop, bitch. They was just honking, y'all. When I say Atlanta is so funny, they remind me of St. Louis. I love this shit. It's so funny. So funny. Yeah! They still going. They gonna try to do it on the slide. We splitting the pork chop. We splitting ways. They gonna try to hunk before we turn the corner. I'm weak. They so messy.
Rage on that beat, going crazy.